An SFTP connection timeout? Let's troubleshoot it step by step.
Here, two systems are communicating remotely through an SFTP connection. A timeout means our system is unable to establish or maintain the connection with the remote SFTP server. I'll test the SFTP User Alias configured in Integration Server.
Great. The SFTP connection is working successfully from the integration server. Next, we verify basic network connectivity to the remote server and SFTP port.
Telnet is successful on port 22. So network level connectivity is available.
Since both the integration server SFTP test and network connectivity check are successful, thus connection is working fine. Remember, troubleshoot step by step. First prove connectivity, then investigate the cause.